Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I share a simple and quick way you can stir fry your veggies and also stir fry your rice. Let's do this together. Into this pot I added oil, sweet corn and peas. The sweet corn I'm using for this recipe is fresh sweet corn, okay? So right now I'll go ahead with already cut green beans, okay? I'll just go ahead and add that and also give this a good stir together. This recipe is so easy and quick, okay? So give that a stir. And now I'll go in with already cut carrot and also stir it together. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, I welcome you to Benny Nice Kitchen. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. You can also go over to my channel and check out other amazing videos, okay? So my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my video. I'm so grateful. After stirring together, I added salt and now I'm adding seasoning powder. You can use any seasoning of your choice. You can even add other herbs or spices, but I just want to keep this simple and it came out so delicious, okay? Right now, I'll go in with the spring onions and also stir together. Now I'll go in with the green pepper, okay, and also stir together. Please, immediately you add your green pepper, you don't need to do much. Just leave it for some minutes and off the gas, okay? Our stir fry veggies is ready. Look at this, it's looking so yummy, looking so delicious and colorful, okay? While doing the vegetable, I have also prepared my rice, okay? So right now I'll go over to the rice and start stir frying it batch by batch. That is by adding some to the pot. I will stir fry it together. I will spend more time in stir frying the rice because I want it to have that that very unique fried rice taste. So that is the reason why I'm doing all of this. I'll stir it together. You see all these veggies here, I'm going to use it to stir fry the rice one at a time, okay? After stir frying the one in the pot, I'll also do the same with every all the rice until I'm done, okay? This is the best way and easy way to prepare your fried rice. If you have not been making your fried rice like this, I think you should try this method, try this recipe, and I believe you will love it, okay? Please do not forget to like, comment, share and leave a comment for me. You can also share with us how you have been making your fried rice or stir fried veggies, and in case you don't want to use your veggies, you can also just keep your veggies in the freezer just like so. Anytime you want to cook, it will be easy for you to use, all right? And if you're a busy person, this is the best method for you to do your stir fry veggies, okay? So that cooking will be easy for you, okay? So guys, I will see you in my next video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.